Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn about sentence making. Every children need love. Wrong. Every child needs love. Correct. He is afraid from dogs. Wrong. And the correct is he is afraid of dogs. Please explain me how improve my English. Wrong. Correct is please explain to me how to improve my English. My birthday is on March. Wrong. Correct is my birthday is in March. We went to his marriage. Wrong. And the correct is we went to his wedding. The woman which works here is from Denmark. Wrong. Correct is the woman who works here is from Denmark. I saw a dream last night. Wrong. I had a dream last night. Correct. I look forward to meet you. Wrong. I look forward to meeting you. Correct. She has black hairs. Wrong. She has black hair. Correct. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update.